आता हांव माननीय राज्यपालांक आपले भाशण सादर करपा खातीर विनंती करता.
Honorable Speaker and members of the Legislative Assembly, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this session of the Assembly. At the outset, let me congratulate you, the State Administration and the people of Goa for the outstanding organization of 37 national games. Also, I would like to mention that our state successfully and peacefully organized the meetings allotted to the state under G20 presidency in India. It is my honor to mention that successful organization of International Purple Fest 2024 in Goa has left an enduring impact on the state, reverberating its message of diversity and inclusion worldwide. I congratulate the whole team of International Purple Fest for making the event a grand success. The contribution made by the police personnel, including the home guards, for maintaining law and order and smooth traffic management during the national games and G20 meetings is commendable. I feel proud to inform this august House that 30% of the vacancies of police constables are being filled by mode of absorption from the Home Guard volunteers. 161 Home Guards have been appointed on absorption to the post of police constable in the Goa Police Department. Our state police ensured that the crime, law and order situation in the state remained under control. This is reflected in crime detection rate, which is 85.83, and seizure of 159.17 kgs of drugs worth rupees 396 lakh under NDPS Act during the current financial year up to November 2023. The state police is making sincere efforts to make available safe driving environment. Special drives to rein the drunken driving and overspeeding have been launched by the traffic police. A total of 5,19,443 traffic violation cases under Motor Vehicles Act have been booked, and fine of rupees 34 crore have been collected during the current financial year up to November 2000 by the police and transport departments. To provide proper instruction to the police force, 70% of the work towards construction of new building for Kupam police station has been completed. Besides this, construction of a new building for coastal security police station at Chapora is fully completed and is likely to be inaugurated soon. Awareness was created among the public about cybercrime and how to seek correct redress to mitigate the threats. In all, 164 programs were conducted during 2023-24 up to November 2023 in various government departments, education institutions, NGOs, semi-government agencies, industries and hostels. Also aware was made through social media, television, radio and street plays. Women Help Desk is created by every police station in the state under the district SPs and is functioning round the clock, and grievances are heard by lady police officers. The firefighters have shown commendable courage and dedication in their duties. During the current financial year up to October 2023, the fire and emergency services have collectively attended by 5,527 calls, during which 87 human lives and 29 animal lives were saved. Due to timely action of the firefighters, property worth rupees 19.47 crore have been saved or salvaged. In order to make the government departments offer the cashless payment facility and make all government service available at the click of a button, my government has signed an MOU with Paytm to help various departments go digital by deploying the platform's features such as QR codes and POS devices. This is an in turn has shown the government